What is going on, my friends? This is your boy, Russian boy. Hello, straight from Russia. Today we have another one performance from Wish Bus. We already seen a couple of videos from there. They was amazing. And today we have Raining Sorrow performs Raindrop. Okay, let's check this out. I haven't seen this before. Thanks for the dude who sent me that. Let's watch it. Wish exclusive. Oh, that's Wish USA. Oh, okay.
Sunlight breaches through the room in a spectacle like in full bloom, and I wonder why can't I smile?
Wish 107.
I don't know this girl. I've never heard her before.
5.
Feels like
Okay.
I can't take no more. The curtains, I have shut them closed, 'cause I don't seem to like that happy life. They all say that they're gonna stay, but I know it's all a lie. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am.
I'm surprised. She's singing not like others. Her voice is not like, it's not the typical. I don't know what's wrong, but something different in her voice. God damn, that's amazing.
I used to have loved you, but now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
Wow. Oh, they are in Hollywood.
Feels like I've been shut inside a box where I can't see the light, and it don't seem that I want to get out.
That's amazing.
The people who have loved me so are in places that I do not know, and it don't seem that I really wanna shout. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am. I used to.
She sings different.
But now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
I can't even compare her with other singers. I don't know anyone who's singing something similar to her voice. Her voice is different. I don't know why, but it's just different.
My heart feels like an empty hole, a place where I cannot console feelings that I do not know. The person that I used to be is lost inside reality, and I wish that I did what I was told. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am.
Wish exclusive.
I'm deep
On
Shut up
Wish
with Wish exclusive. Just shut the fuck up.
107.5.
and now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
That's it. Wow. I don't even know what to say. That was amazing. That's different singing. I like it. Wow, so much. Okay, this is your boy Russian Boy. Tell me in the comments what to react next, and see you in the next videos.